So guys, can you guess where I am? I don't think you could, but guess where I am. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you because I'm on patience today. I'm in Sweden and I'm visiting Koenigsegg. Now, I'm so excited, I'm speechless, so let's just go open the door. Thank you. Come in. It is huge and awesome. And first we're starting off with this car, and this is the CC850. So nice. And there's only 70 worldwide, and I'm not gonna lie, Christian has a really good taste because this is his car. And now we have the CCXR, and fun fact about this car, this is a 2009, 0 kilometers. I still can't believe how. This orange color is known for Koenigsegg. This is the Jesco, and if you can see all around it, you can see lots of carbon fiber. Look at the door, it's a butterfly doors, it's so pretty, and if you come closer here, you can see the engine. And there's two types of Jesco, and this one is the Attack, known for its wing. And this is the Jesco Absolute, and this is known for it's fast. It's so much faster, and it doesn't have a wing. And if you come to Koenigsegg, you can buy Koenigsegg's own merch. It's so pretty.